Start beeping and that's gonna get annoying.
Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you guys my radiation box and playing around with my small Geiger counter slash spectrometer. Just showing you guys what's what, how it works, and how sensitive it is to smoke detectors, mainly the americium source that is inside of smoke detectors, and comparing it to a sample of thorium I have from a microwave, which only produces alpha particles, which unfortunately my detector is not able to detect because of their very low penetration and such. So yeah, this is my radiation box. It's very secure. I keep all of my possibly radioactive materials in here. Unfortunately, most of the thorium has been dislodged from the anode, salvaged from the microwave. I made a whole video about it, which I highly implore you to check out. It was pretty fun, actually, to remove the anode from the microwave without permanently damaging the anode with an angle grinder. I would use a metal saw, but I use an angle grinder. The way my spectrometer works, or Geiger counter, is pretty similar to how most other radiation detection systems work. Most forms of radiation, gamma ray and X-ray mainly, when they pass through air, ionize the air, smash into an atom, skew an electron off, maybe two, and then this now charged particle can be detected inside an electric field. So the way the spectrometer works is it has an extremely strong electric field, and in a vacuum, or light vacuum, in a closed chamber, and when one of these charged particles appears from a gamma ray flying through the chamber and skewing an electron, the electron flies to the positive plate and the proton, positively charged nuclei, with the rest of the electrons flies towards the negative plate of the detector. This very small electrical signal can be detected, amplified, and in short, that's how it works. So
It was about as small as you can get. Little emitter. Americium, 95th element. And you can see it's all good, but you put the detector tube right on top of it right there. There you go. Right. It very quickly goes up.
every time you hear it beep, there's a particle of radiation flying through its detector, which is a small, like 3 by 1 inch cylinder inside of the box. So every time you hear it beep, there's some radiation. On average, there's anywhere from about 5 to about 20 or 10 part counts per minute, CPM. So if you have more than 100 counts per minute, that's pretty weird. If you have more than 200, you should figure that out.
And it's going to start beeping and that's going to get annoying. So we're going to remove it, because that is definitely radioactive. I mean, it's just alpha emitters. And let's try it with this.
The regular beeping is just a high radiation warning. It don't really have to worry about it. It's only dangerous over extreme amounts of time, and 50, even 70 counts per minute is not a huge deal. I've gotten it as high as 14,000 counts per minute, but that's another video involving X-ray tubes.
It's meant for measuring very low levels amount of radiation. What is it? Nuclear radiation detector. Yeah. Geiger counters are much bigger, so for this, yeah. So
thanks for watching. I'll put up a video where I can get it above 14,000, but I don't have the equipment with me right now, so stay tuned.